Ngamba zona so man. Ngamba zona so.
Ndinyo mfitchera.
Nonga kera. Rospenda je denji ba. Ruzana. Ruzana so ndiko.
Mapolisa na divaini.
Timasha ya ngoro tonfa mra. Ndikani tazo tuzina mra ngasite shinazwa. Boje amzi nonga. Nezuri icho zo zishomura. Nasfa. Nezuri icho. Nume mra mfuma kazwa.
Mfuma kazwa pio nai.
Ngamba mbungu.
Mbungu ka mbungu lidotha lokobela zwino. Hayi. Nini? Habinde mfuma kazwa ambisa ndini ngofunela chelede ini.
Emunene ndo spenda chede njinga
azina mshumo azinkwami nezo. Azinkwami nezo.
Kupuka beti ndicho gwacho.
Zino ndinyo nongwacha. Ndinyo nongwacha.
Chingwacho to.
Ndinyo nongwacha. Ndinyo nongwacha.
Rotangana.
Azina mshumo ni gwala badi. Ndinyo nongwacha.
Emunene chingwacho.
Ndinyo nongwacha.
Chingwacho.
Ndinyo nongwacha. Abanifuni. Shiyami.
Ini mwana muwo da meka ina. Oda maskoleza zona shumulinda zona.
Ndikendi njororo.
Nazo zode.
Ndi njororo.
Nazo ni minini. Range ndini buzi. Asha uri mute. Ana space ngondo ndikhulwana. Zinoba kota mazikuli. And riba kota zorenga ngizamba bo these fresh nina linda zona. Ndolengo zivuwanzo ndaba.
Mara mbungu ndi wanga.
Asizone.
Abanifuni.
Asizone.
Machela ndambi chitu. Machela ndambi chitu. Usikale na nerdo bverera. Nerdo bverera na rini.
Nerdo. Niso.
Nazini.
Niso.
Nazini.
Ana chitu ilimo.
Nazini mara mfuma kazwa mfuna.
Ditambrera.
Una taizo.
Na anu ditambrera.
Nazino. Abalifuni. Abanifuni.
Chele diote mos. Ana chitu mamwa. Ana chitu. Farani hapa ndo na mera. Ana chitu.
Nazini andikasili chechelede zino hapa zino. Mani nyana kachelede. Mara mbungu ndi wanga.
Kani madambe sani kwe mfuti.
Mini?
Usimazana na chitu.
Dani nga?
Dani kwe mfuti.
Mara
ana chitu.
Ndimuliche.
Naspendana. Ni umemra wao.
Ndi umemra wao.
Ngene chelede.
Mara
umemra wao ngechede. Ana chitu.
Mara.
Ngani kusele panga ngea.
Mani nya mara ndingasume. Mara makambungu. Yeah, that's right. Keso vakati vavotechelisa ndichovilingana FM radio ya Mathakeni vananyi DJ Ntumburex mafura kosuva ngotorali kavadofa namusi ridari kwamba mini rikongwilingwisha ngani ndichikoralo rina muvanjeria ndini muvanjeria vatoto mupfanone vatoto vasori ndi ifilo dingidelao vasongozuyangwa rikodingwilingwisha ritova rikupfa manji ngwilingwishini sinoha atinya kupedza chipinga kautabudela lwimboni ya imani kavari ndiri ngwilingwisha bungani chiri kubvu ndikovuya ndiri imbo Ntumburex kautopfa
Shangoloro mondo lobera pananga butsira Shangoloro mondo lobera pananga butsira Wafule vati babange ilo mondo Vadite bakatara babange ilo mondo Vaiti vadira mababange ilo mondo Chovilingana naene ubange ilo mondo Chovilingana naene ubange ilo mondo
Ndo
Yebo. Where can I sit? This place is so nice.
Hey, nisituko. Ndaba tsutsanya. Yeah. Yeah, vabona zvino apa ti? Yeah. Eno ndi ntia kudinga manda. If event tissue.
The vent tissue.
Yeah.
Is it a vendor tissue?
Yeah. Vent tissue. So bangatitsula. Yeah. Vent tissue. Yeah. What the papa na chikuna chimwe cha wanala.
I can see.
Yeah, ndi kanana. Kanana. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
That's right. Ya keso ya bathetshelesi basho ndiyo nemusibothethelesa Chobulingana FM na DJ Ntumburex mafura ndikosuba ngoto athina na mini rikongwilingwisha ndina vaeni vebala bebabo balindele bachisika Vangeria koyo ufano Vangeria lumelisani bathetshelesi asa zwino bolindele.
You don't pronounce it well now. I'm not a Vangeria. Vangeria. It's a vendor, and then plus Nigeria minus Nigeria equals to Vangeria.
Oh,
you see now?
Okay.
Yeah. So let me greet everyone. Hello, everyone. I think maybe you know me because I've been around there in your villages. My name is Uche. They call me Uche. My home side, even here in Hebrew, even here in Venda, they know me. I'm a Uche.
That's right. So no abadurubudza. Hey, which ranga ngeno abuani?
You mean from Hebrew and this side Venda?
Yeah, zote zokatela.
Hebrew, you know, Hebrew is Hebrew. Hebrew people are there. We see a different type of people. Other one that from Malawi, from my home side, you see. Now I'm here in Venda. Venda is nice. But when I come here, I thought maybe I'm coming to Fancy Studio. But now I see this is not Fancy Studio. Even the people around who staying around, they are not that good. But there's someone that is right for me. Even
wakati banepo ndokujengo bafarane. Bachikwamburi unasuzwa ubuzina bakozibona kabadodo ya nao panda.
My uncle, this is my uncle.
Oh, yeah.
She got a beautiful lady for me, this one.
Hey, yeah, bathetshelesi utonga papetu udodipa Chobulingana FM vana muvangeria. Okay, zwavudi khabar vhudze zori ndi mini zwavudi zwine zwi tea batakadza vhukuma vosika kha Chobulingana FM.
Me, I don't know anything here.
Mr. Fix It.
This one is a Mr. Fixer. He make it to be equal. I will give you a laugh. It's what I'm saying. I don't have another word, but I do say that thing now.
Yeah.
Don't question me now.
Yeah. One last. Zino abadotombudza apa noni. Omutu bayimudiba dzina lawe balidiba wone. I'm name hey. I'm Sam know you.
Oh, Mbungu.
Eh?
And Mbungu is a worm, nah? From worm to butterfly.
Yeah, bana.
So I will change it. I will make some changes. From black, like a black to yellow bone. From Coke to Fanta. You see?
Yeah.
So you will be flying. Because I will put here some salt. Some salt that will make it nice. You see, when you are tasting food when there's no salt, it's not going to be nice to you. But if I put salt, it will be nice. So I will make it a life to be that life. That fancy life. She wear that big clothes. That big brand that you know. Not those things, those small things that you buy on the street of yours. So we'll go and buy it there on the shops.
Hey. Ya kezo bathetshelesi basho bakotozwifa zori ndi Chobulingana FM rikongulingwisha ndi ubva kha munyaka ari dzi makeup dza mathakeni ndi zwine Mvangeria akho ita zwone. Hey ndingadi azwibona mbungu awe amara ya udowela zikupula mazenge. Okay.
Yeah, that beautiful lady. I wanna take her to Hebrew. From Hebrew, Nigeria. In my city state.
I corner.
I bet Nigeria is big. So here I'm in Hebrew. So I will take you to Hebrew to the flat and go to my palace. I got a beautiful mansion. So that lady, you are the one who gonna fix for me. You are the one who gonna pay money, and money is not a problem here. Even your studio, you fix it right.
Ndi matakadza mbilu ai. Matakadza mbilu asimona fedzi. Matakadza mbilu ndori na Mvangeria oswika utakadza Chobulingana FM ihulese. Vachikwamba uri vakotomwisa kadzi flat vomucheka hana dzungu.
What is zungu now?
Dzunguluwa. I'm round mind a fall down flat.
Your vendor is so funny. Now you go deeper. Deeper. I don't know it all. But I just know a little bit. That's why they call me Evangelia.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's gonna be fine because there's a lift, so I will just press. Me, I stay in the top of the flat, so I'll just press and we go.
Ngaine lift.
Eh.
Ngaine lift yakuma.
Eh.
Abathetshelesi mufanjere uko dana dzilifiti uko fudwa namela aswika tsu. Hey. I'm good, I'm happy today. Vangeria. Rekongulingwisa. Vathetshelesi baba ko guda na dzinyambo. Muvangeria. Kha do rubudza zwangwe zwono to takadza zwo to fedza zwine vha khori hezwi zwo vha takadza. I'm happiness you, I'm good. I'm dead. I'm say you say something. Lo fedza hezwi. Vathetshelesi ka ba fe zwo ri uchi fimini uko fimini. I'm say you now time.
The thing that attract me now is that lady. That lady keep me busy on my dream.
Hey.
I don't know what to say, but she got that vavavoom. Many ladies in here that don't have that vavavoom. She got that thing. That keep me busy.
What?
That I cannot stay in my heart without paying the rent.
My Lord is good. Oh.
She's so nice.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. So I wanna take her and love her nice. You hear my uncle? You know what? I'm not like you guys, you vendor guys. Me, I will love her. I will love her with that song I love. When me, I love. I'm not like you, those, you abuse woman, you kick woman. What is that?
Yeah.
I wanna keep her. I wanna give her care. I wanna spoil her. I got some money here in my pocket. I will take her to Durban. They say there's a Durban, there's a Cape Town, there's a what. Those fancy town in your South Africa, in your country. I will do good there. I want to give her that love. That love that you people cannot afford. You cannot. Yeah, you don't love. You people, you busy abusing. When I hear in the radio, you are abusing, you are killing, you are raping, you are doing what? This bad thing to the woman. A woman, you have to deserve love because you propose her, so love her. Don't beat. Just love her.
I'm not beat.
But you, I can see your mind is still small.
Yeah. So zvambori ngaimwendere kunyagombudza zori ni kunyagogudisa vatu uri every man needs a wife and a woman.
Yeah, you need you talk to two things. You said the wife and the woman. That's why I said your mind is still small. Because you don't recognize, you don't differentiate these two things.
Yeah, okay. Ndikoniva uche. Yeah, ndikachoblenga FM. Ubona bakunyagombudza zori bakurengisa mbungu kho umufanjeria wabo.
Mbungu ko tuwa na mfanjeriwa wabo. Dina Mr. Fixer.
Is my fixer.
Fixer.
Yeah.
Kauda ufa fixer vanjeri.
Mr. Fixer.
Wana ande bachi kuzvite ezu zitu. Ikombo ke. Malume baya zvidiva.
Tina nandaba na tinya kupfanga ayo oyo malume nene.
Tell him.
Tina kupfanga ayo.
Tell him now.
Other tell him now. Nandi mean.
You don't know. This tree is still a kid. She's still a small. It's still a small kid, this thing. This one the small. They got that small mind. When you think, you think you just bow in the wall because you don't know. Look even in the studio. The studio is still small. It's still small, you're still dirty. And this no. What is this now? I will give you some money and you go and buy some system, a good system that will give you that that will make people to come here more. Not me.
Radio.
You will see a white people coming here. I'm telling you.
So such a chimbana baba mutu unonisa ngwepetwa budi. DJ anabana style. Nando tanya. Wise, I'm clever, I'm good, I'm dead. You love me. Enjoy, I'm Sam Mike, I'm big. I'm talk radio. So say you. It's through God.
But you're small, but you got that big thing in your mind.
Gearbox yanga ndikuruani hapa ngongom.
It's a
na radio. Catch.
You're still a small child. You're still a small. You don't know anything. I'm going to marry that thing. It's your cousin or what? It doesn't matter. I will go to marry. This is the fixer. You don't know anything now. You're just a small kid. Go and play with another kids. You don't know about marriage. You don't know how to keep a lady good nice, a woman nice.
Nne monga bongo tolelwa nga indile ne bangatendezwe.
Ndibaje butogwa ke kombero ribante chereze ti. Batiketsi banji ndikale bachikuribudzisa uri ni support nga ndilade nga uri dzi film ribona mahala kha YouTube. Zino rikhombela vothe vane vangakona uri tikedza vari support nga u joina channel ya Cho TV sa dzi membara. Membership ni R599 fedzi kumwedzi. U joina zvizwa dina. Bato puta the button ya join by sapanda. Bachito joina fedzi. Bambo diwana pecho yo sumbedza uribone mamutiketsi washo pecho yanekei. Sa membara video dzonobva lavutanu. Vone vadotobodzibona ngalavuna ngauri vamutiketsi washo. Chipikwa chulwane ndi urithusa urikonisa phanda noita dzifilimu dzine vone vazifuna. Musidzana wa haya habipi bathuwele kha va ri support tikutso humbela.